Hi everyone, and welcome to week 6 of Writing 213. This week you should be submitting the final polished version of your career research project. That is due on Wednesday, September 29th. I would like for you to submit it that day. If something comes up and you need a little bit of an extension, please keep in touch and let me know. Do keep in mind though that we're already moving forward, and our second major project, a research project related to exploring a problem in your field, is up next in week 11, and we're going to start thinking about that this week. But I don't want you to start thinking about it until you have completed your career research project. So notably, I want to draw your attention to that last part of the assignment, which is to write a reflection after you have completed the paper. So make sure that you answer these questions. After your paper, you can just go ahead and type answers to these questions, reflecting on your work and how you as a writer have approached this task, and how it went for you is an important part of this class. So make sure that you include that reflection before you submit your career research project this week. So then we're going to start working on a research project related to a problem in your field. And really, you can start thinking about it. But as you finish up your career research project, you're going to be directing your own reading this week, so I'm not putting anything else up for you to read. But I do want you to read the next assignment, which is posted here in week 11 when it will be due. And next week, I'm going to ask you to submit a statement of a problem related to something in your field and a purpose that you might hope to achieve with your essay. So your job this week is to locate some relevant readings to help you build a foundation for this essay. Let me know if you need any help finding materials, or if you want to talk through that final draft of your current project. So I'll be in my office hours tomorrow and Thursday if you'd like to talk. Anyway, I hope you all have a great week and keep in touch.